Hi there, my name is Alexandra. I'm a sales representative here at Armina Stone, and today we're here at one of my completed projects. Let's take a look at this beautiful Arabescato Viola kitchen. When you work with us, I help guide you through every step of the process, from slab selection, templating, fabrication, and finally, installation. Seeing a kitchen like this is the best part of my job. If you're planning a renovation or new build, I'd love to help you bring your vision to life. Come visit us at Armina Stone.